Beans and pasta! It's very beigey and starchy. Almost be like a bean breadcrumb. Breadcrumbs going on the sheet pan. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna make a bechamel. Okay, I feel better about this now. Oh my god, it's so good. Just listen. That's crunchy. I want to make these again with more seasoning, but we're gonna put these to good use. Mushroom, leftover rice. It's a weird color, but I think it'll taste good. Meatballs. So many choices. These are good. I have to always visualize. We have the pasta, we have the sauce, we have meatballs, three of things, isn't it? We have breadcrumbs. Good. Oh, it's very good. It's so good.